Welcome. Today we will discuss the complete process of blogging. Firstly, what is blogging? Blogging begins with diversions and energy, and it turns into a vocation for certain bloggers. There are many full-time bloggers. You can compose blogs with fascinating articles like food online journals, voyaging and so forth in your web page. How to start a blog? When beginning a blog you have two options, regardless of whether to make blog using free online stages or you can in like manner go for a self-encouraged blog, making your own site. On the off chance that you go for free online stages you will be related redundant domain yet you can transform it later too. If there should arise an occurrence of a self-facilitated blog you would need to put away some cash for domain and hosting. How to choose blog topic. Sometimes this becomes to be a troublesome procedure in blogging. The most significant thing in blogging is to pick your niche, with the goal that you can draw in more guests to your blog. The greatest mix-up that all the new blogger does is that they go for an over-serious niche on which numerous different bloggers are working. You ought to go for a specialty which is different and alluring for guests. There are a few different ways to discover points for your new blog. Take a gander at others' blog. You can investigate others' blog that what bloggers are distributing and what is feeling the loss of their substance, so you can fill the missing holes. Search at Google. Additionally, you can check Google that what people groups are looking through more and you can compose on it. Reaction to trends. Regular something new continues inclining an individual's scan for it. You can compose your blog on news or things which are inclining. How to get traffic on your blog. When you have made your site and distributed your first entrancing article post, yet the question that will rise is from where you will get your crowd reader. Getting traffic to your site is very important. There are some ways in which you can get traffic to your blog. 1. Share on social media. You ought to advance your blog via web-based networking media, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and so forth. We counsel that setting up a page on Facebook is increasingly productive for advancing your post. 2. Connect with other bloggers. You can likewise associate with other successful bloggers and request to elevate your blog to their supporters. In this way your blog traffic and your followers will increase. 3. Create viral substance. Making viral substance will draw in more guests from web-based life and other area. Along these lines you can expand your traffic. Thank you. In order to read in more detail, visit our website, link is in description. In order to watch more videos regarding online earning and technology, do subscribe to HM Support.